It's pretty amazing.
Just walloped us.
Hello and welcome back. Last time on To Get Lost, we had a last-minute change of plan and sailed overnight to reach the safe anchorage of Porto Heli, where we hope to sit out another Meltemi.
Massive lightning storm coming in.
Sexy thing. Ooh, I'll be leaving miracles, baby.
We arrived at sunrise and were treated to the most incredible welcome.
Always on my mind and way out of my way.
How many tuna have we got, Emily?
7.
What did you do with them?
Just ate them while you were asleep.
Just raw.
I was really hungry.
Like an apple.
We haven't caught any. We've
Unbelievable.
been fishing at all the best times. Sunrise and sunset, we haven't caught a tuna.
Shocking.
I don't actually want another tuna, I want something different.
Mahi mahi.
Never tried that.
Weird. What are you?
We entered the anchorage just as the sun was rising and spotted a monk seal playing near the fishing boat. Monk seals are extremely endangered and are shy creatures that hide away from humans. We watched this one from a distance for about half an hour before anchoring in the rain under a rainbow. It's a morning we'll never forget.
Marry me when the lights go out. You know I'll be there. I thought of you,
So cool.
hoping that the ripples would make you notice me. And now you're here, sunlight on the ripples. Somehow you notice me.
We had a few hours to sort the boat out before all hell broke loose.
Whatever you decide to do.
We ran away to escape the Meltemi and then got stuck in a thunderstorm. We're just hoping it's not going to be too bad. It's due to pass us. Is it going to be right over us now?
Yeah, pretty much.
So
Time now to the next hour, I think it'll be passing.
So we've got an hour to see what it brings. There's some very horrible looking clouds everywhere.
Oh my goodness. Get that inside. It's about to start tipping it down. Get the hatches closed. Go, go, go!
Can I pop up?
Yeah, of course. It's quite scary out there.
Ah, it's cool, look at it! Woo! You need to see this!
Oh my god!
Alright, yeah, I need to get out of the rain. Go sailing, they said. The weather will be great, they said. What's going on, Emily?
Just watching a thunderstorm.
Pretty amazing.
Just walloped us. Well, we knew it was coming. We were watching it on Blitzautumn. What does that mean again, Adam?
It's like lightning storm location map.
Lightning storm location, right? So we knew it was coming, so I was outside like watching the clouds and it was all getting very ominous, and we'd like sorted the boat out for heavy winds, so we were like, okay, we're set. So I was just sort of sitting watching it and I could see the clouds, so I thought I could see it coming, and it was a while off and I could see some lightning in the distance, and I was like, oh yeah, it's ages off. Literally, suddenly it just went no wind to like, well, I only saw it at the end. It just went absolutely crazy. All of the boats just tilted over and started swinging round in the wind, and it's like I saw the end of it and it was like 32 knots, so it had gone from 0 to above 32 knots in like no time at all, and then all hell broke loose.
Just came in like a sheet, didn't it?
Yeah.
Visibility just
You could
disappeared.
you could see, and then you just couldn't see. Yeah, it was crazy. Adam's camera was getting soaking.
It's alright.
It's getting
It's
soaking.
weather shielded.
I was like, get the hatches closed! Yeah, it's sort of dying down now, but it's quite cosy sat here watching it.
It's really cosy. On my old boat, this was one of my favourite places to sit in the winter, looking out of the forward portholes.
Yeah, we don't really come in here. This is usually the junk cupboard, but we've tidied it all for my parents coming, so it's quite a nice space really. Maybe we should sleep in here tonight, see what it's like.
Yeah. See what the smell's like.
We can't be bothered to change our sheets though.
True.
So yeah, my parents are arriving tomorrow, and then they're staying overnight in Kalamata, and then they're going to drive and meet us, so we need to plan where we're going to be. On predict wind, there was rain forecast for later in the week as well. I hope that doesn't mean more thunderstorms.
I don't know who's more excited to see them, me or you.
You're just excited to see my dad. My poor mum.
Excited to see Jill too. It's just me and Graham have a bond, you know.
Yeah, Adam, we were talking last night, and just out of the blue, Adam was like, what if Graham decides he doesn't really like me? I think just
He's my ticket to a sweet surname though, you know.
because he's going to adopt you.
Yeah, exactly. We've been over this. I need to marry a Greek for a passport, so... Sorry, Emily.
You can marry me and have my name if you want.
Yeah, and then just pretend to be Greek.
It's a Greek sounding name. Nankolis.
Nankolis.
I don't know if Nankolis sounds Greek. How would they pronounce it? Nancholis.
Nankolas.
Nankolis.
You said it to the customs guy in Kefalonia. It sounds Greek, doesn't it? And he just went, no.
I don't think it... I don't know. It looks... It doesn't look Greek to me, so it looks like my surname. Everyone always says, is it Greek? No, it's Cornish.
Change it to Nankapopadopoulos.
Adam. Then you would have to be called that.
Adam Nankapopadopoulos.
No. Nankolis is a cool surname though, isn't it?
Doesn't it mean Valley of the Ghosts or
Yeah,
something?
Valley of the Ghosts.
Ooh, spooky. Hey, you're named after that abandoned boatyard in Kefalonia. Ditch of the Ghosts.
The one that's not called Nankolis Boatyard.
No, but it's called Ditch of the Spooks or something, isn't it?
Is it? You're just making that up.
Oh, it's spooky. Oh, it's nearly Halloween. Oh.
We need to put our anchor ball up.
And then
I'm
off you
excited
go.
about the storm.
Off you go into the rain and the
I'm actually
lightning.
quite glad it wasn't up. I think it would have just blown away. Or
I'm not crazy about that inflatable thing. I think that's asking to blow away. But loads of plastic in the sea.
inflatables are bad.
Exactly. Poor love me. As if it wasn't sad enough already. Nearly sank.
After surviving the first thunderstorm, we spent the next day dodging more downpours and readying the boat for the arrival of my parents. This is our guest bedroom, which is usually a mess, but my parents are coming to stay, so we've made it look a little bit nicer. So we've been to the shops, we've done a big stock up on food, so Mum and Dad, you won't be hungry. We've got loads of tea, pasta, flour to make pizzas, rice. We've done a huge shop. Everything you could possibly need. Coffee, tea, sugar. We've got milk, the fridge is full, loads of fresh fruit and veg. What's happening tomorrow, Adam?
We've got some very exciting guests coming.
Who?
Your parents.
Yeah.
It's going to be awesome. I'm really excited. I'm going to show them the boat, take them sailing, maybe try and get to an anchorage somewhere. Be really nice. I'm super excited.
Except for we've got really bad weather forecast.
Yeah. Yeah. Potentially thunderstorms and high winds and all sorts. But hopefully it'll pass and we'll get to go and have some fun. Show them the life afloat.
And they've got to live with us for a week.
Yeah. It's going to be a mutiny aboard Hot Chocolate.
Yeah, my mum gets really bad seasickness as well.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that, yeah. So we've come somewhere quiet and calm anyway, so hopefully things will be relatively still for her.
We moved the boat this morning to a nice, pretty anchorage just around the corner.
Don't rock the boat.
Don't rock the boat.
Don't come and knock him when this boat's arriving.
Oh no. No, my parents are about to arrive, Adam.
So yeah, we're really excited.
Very excited. Next time on To Get Lost, introducing Parents on Board, featuring more beautiful anchorages, the strongest coffee ever, and rather a lot of sleeping. At least someone's finding it relaxing.